In the Philippines, during Holy Week, especially on Good Friday, we cook this traditional food which we call colasyon. For my version, I'm using glutinous rice flour, saba or banana which is already cooked, coconut milk, and dark brown sugar. I also am using cheese in my version of this ginataan, which I cut into small cubes, and here they are. So let's now make the glutinous rice balls. So I ended up just using one bag of the glutinous flour, and here are the balls. Small balls that I made by just mixing a little bit of water with the glutinous flour. This one has a little bit of cheese inside. I cut the bananas into bite-sized pieces. And now I'm boiling the coconut milk. The balls are in there. The glutinous rice balls are in there. Let's cook them a little bit before putting on the banana. Anyway, the bananas are already cooked. Just put one pan of coconut milk. So I have put the bananas in there. So just a little more boiling, maybe 2 to 3 minutes more, and it will be done. Ginataang kilo below with saba is done. Look at that. In time for colasyon. It's only 12:46 p.m. Church is 3 p.m. Blessed Good Friday, everyone. This is our colasyon.